Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Fifth Third online banking account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL 53.com. Once you do that, you'll be forwarded to this website and click on the login button at the top right. After that, you'll have to enter your informations that you used to log into your Fifth Third bank account. So enter your user ID and password. Once you fill in all your informations, click on login in order to log into your Fifth Third bank account. Or if you do not have an account, click on register in order to create one. Or if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on forgot ID or forgot password. Once you fill in all your information, click on login and you will be logged into your Fifth Third bank account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Fifth Third bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.